I got some packages. I got some packages. I got some packages. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jaylee. I'm coming to y'all with another video. And y'all know how I love packages. Packages. I think I'm addicted to makeup, y'all. I really do. I don't know if it's makeup or just having packages coming to my house. I don't know. Either way, I get excited. Like, I get excited. Today, we got us a nice little box. I wasn't going to open it before y'all, but I got stuck. But I got me a box from Juvias Place. So, I told y'all in my last video that they had a 40% off sale. And I ordered it that day. Y'all, when I tell you this package came quick as crap. Like, I've never gotten a package from them this fast. It was like here in days. Like, literally days. So, we are going to go ahead and I'm going to jump right in. And I'm going to tell y'all and show y'all what I got. Swatch some stuff. You know, just let's let y'all see. And I'm going to see the same time y'all see. Because I didn't open up nothing. Like, nothing did I open up. So, I'm going to just unbox it with y'all. Because I just wanted to, you know, y'all family. Y'all family. So, I just was like, you know, let me let my family in. And a couple of items I did get extras. So, I'm thinking about doing a giveaway. I'm trying to get the 500 subscribers. So, if I can get the 500, I'm going to do a nice little giveaway. So, let's jump on and see what I got. Okay, so the first item I got is the FUMI makeup bag, and I'm gonna just open it up with y'all. But I ended up ordering 2 of these, so I'm gonna put one in a giveaway, just cause I think they are like the cutest little thing ever. Like, they are nice and deep, and I love the color red, so like I just like the color of it. So I got that. And I ordered these separate. I didn't actually order them in the set. I just got it separate. So I think this is really cute. I feel like I got it because I could carry it and put, like, when I'm going overnight, or like right now I have a trip I have to take to North Carolina. I'll be trying to keep myself down with makeup. So I'm going to do just enough makeup to put it here instead of taking, you know, the whole world with me. Next, like I told you in my last video, I picked up 2 more concealers. I got the shade J12, which is this one. And the one I already have, I think, is 11. So they are a little bit different, not much, but it gives me, one gives me a little bit more of a day highlight, I'll say that. And then I got J5, which is for me to contour with. It's a little lighter than I thought it was going to be, but we're going to. So next I got the NUBIAN loose highlighter powder, and I got it in NUBIA. I just got one of those because I didn't need them all. I was going to get the pack and then give some for a giveaway, but then I changed my mind. I was like, I really don't need them all. And this one it said it was for deep skin. So, how do you get in this thing, y'all? Y'all, I got a stuffy nose right now. It is terrible. There we go. We got it open. We're cooking with grease. Okay. So I'm about to put this on the back of my hand to see. Ooh. Ooh, y'all. Ooh. Ooh, y'all. Look. Y'all. Y'all. Can y'all see? Y'all. It makes me want to put some more now. Just because. And I ain't going nowhere. Y'all. And I'm just using what's on the back of my hand. Like, I'm literally just rubbing off what's on the back of my hand and putting that on my face. Oh my, oh my, oh my, y'all, oh my. Oh, oh, y'all, y'all, I can't. Okay, let me stop playing because I said I won't put none of this on. But y'all, I'm in love already with this. I'm in love. Okay, so that's the highlighter. And that is that. Okay, so what did we get next? Next I got 3 matte lipsticks. This is the other pouch that's going to go into a giveaway. So that's going into a giveaway just so y'all know. So y'all make sure y'all be subscribed to the channel now. Stay, so when it's time to play, y'all can. Okay. Next, okay, so I got 3 matte lipsticks. 3. All right, the first one was the AFRIK, and it is like a red one. I love the packaging. I doubt I'm gonna get rid of any of this one this time. Oh, and it got the, oh, I like the fact that it's in the box and it's still sealed up. Come on here, Juvias. Be sanitary. All right, so let's open this up. Okay, so, oh my God, this is such a pretty red, y'all. Y'all, I just want to put this on now, but I don't want to take off what I got on. Look at that. That is such a deep red. This is so pretty. Like, this is a pretty color. I'm not sure if the sale is still going on now, guys, but I know it was when I purchased this. And when I posted the first video. Next, I got, I think it's Dudu. I think that's what it's called. I don't know. It don't sound like saying Dudu, and I'm about to put Dudu on my lips, but it is a black. And it's because I didn't have a black. I had a gray. I didn't have a black. I need to find a good navy blue. If somebody can just, like, tell me, comment down below, a good navy blue and royal blue, like, lippy, I would be, like, so in love with y'all. You know what I mean? Like, I really would be. I really would be. Or if somebody gonna watch this, make one for the kid. Because I need one. Okay, so now we got black. Oh, wait. Come on here, black. Oh. And they got sheens on them. Come on now. And y'all, I'm feeling this packaging. Look at this. This is so pretty. It's so pretty. Like, the package is just pretty. And that was a matte liquid lipstick as well. And next, I'm filling up my desk fast. Next, I got Soil. I like Soil because it was like a orangish color. And it was just fall to me. Like, I literally just saw fall when I saw it. So I'm going to take it out for y'all. And I love how the packaging matches. I love how the packaging matches the lipstick color. Sorry about that. I like the fact they took a little bit to get into, too. And this one is Soil that I'm about to swatch on my hand now. So that's Soil. I think that is so pretty. Like, that is just a fall color to me that just, ugh. And again, look how it matches the box. It's like, these boxes are so pretty. Like, they're so beautiful. So next, I'm going to go and look at the palettes that I bought. And I purchased 4 of those. And I purchased the last 4 that I did not actually have in my collection. But these 4, I actually have every palette that they have come up with so far. So first, I'm going to go with just the older one, just because I didn't have this one. And at the time, I was like, I didn't want it. But then ended up changing my mind and I bought it. And that one is the Nubian 3 Coral palette. It was on sale, so I actually ended up purchasing it. And I think it was actually, yeah, it was 12 bucks. So to get it for, instead of 20, to get it for 12, I got it. And this is this one right here. Y'all tell me this is not beautiful. Like, it's not. There we go. It is so pretty. I like all the shimmers. I love the grays and things like that. And I feel like I can make some pretty semi-neutral color, neutral looks with it. Some everyday looks. Next, we are going to go into this Warrior 3 palette. Oh my God. Y'all have no idea how ready I was for this. These next 3, it was like excitement. Like, I couldn't wait for it to come online so I could buy it. As y'all can tell, I did not open any of these before. I'm opening them with y'all. So if they broke, y'all go see it. I don't think I've ever gotten one that was broken. And this one, oh my God, I love it. This one reminds me of like Carnival or something like that. Oh, there we go. This one reminds me of that. It's like the Zulu palette, but just a little more playful, if I have to say. It's a twinge bit more playful. But I really love that one as well, the colors. I hear a lot of people say that the colors, and again, it's not open. The colors are similar in her palettes, but I don't think so because I actually have them all. And they are different. And I like the fact that no matter what, I don't have to grab 4 and 5 of them to make a look. Like, I've actually been able to make looks, multiple looks, out of one of her palettes versus me having to grab 6 or 7. Most of her palettes have like they have neutral shimmers, highlights. They have all of it in there, so I can literally make a look from it. Next, we have the Queen palette, the FUMI and Juvias Place collaboration. And this one, I actually like this palette. To me, I got it because I like this one as a highlight as well as this one as a highlight. It's more of a champagne color. And I love this one for a blush. And I didn't have a purple blush, just being honest. But I felt like I could take this palette with me and actually use it for my eyes, but also highlight with it. And I could use it as blush. So that was my main reason for getting this palette, because it was small, compact, and I could do everything in one, and it's very, very small. Next, I got the NOMAD by Juvias Place as well. Oh my God, y'all. So when I was getting this one, it actually wasn't on there, right? It was sold out, but I was actually working at the time, so I had to actually stop looking on the website to finish doing the stuff that I was doing. So when I finished working on what I was working on, I actually went back there to get it. And I was like, well, let me see what else is on here. And it was back in stock. I was like, I'm getting it. And it was on sale as well. Now this one, I liked it because it does. Now this one is really similar to the, I think it's the one with the green, and I forgot the name of it. But it is really similar to that one. But I did love this yellow right here. Like, I don't know why I like that yellow, but I did. I like this yellow because it was like shimmery. I like that, and I like the mustard, and I like the greens and the golds. I ain't got enough arm, y'all, for all of this that I'm doing right now. But see, I like those right there. So that's why I did get this, because it was very earthy for me. And I wanted a palette that, once again, because I am not always into very bright colors. And especially with it becoming fall, It gives me that earth tone, that one palette, because I'm always somewhere. It gives me that one palette I can grab up, make a look, and keep going. So that does complete my haul for what I did purchase from Juvias Place. If you guys want to see all the products that I do have from Juvias Place, or if there's a palette you want me to review first and do a lookout of first, comment down below. Let me know, because I am really trying to get back into makeup, doing it every day, because right now with the move that I made, I do not wear makeup every day. And my studio is actually not inside of my house, and I have yet to unpack my whole studio to split it, to put some everyday stuff inside of the house. We didn't do that. So if you guys have a specific product you want to see swatched, you want to see me make some looks out of, comment down below. Let me know what it is. And I want to thank you all for sticking with me to the end of the video. If you have any other palettes you think you want to see, let me know. I'm always out to purchase something with a coupon. And just be on the lookout for my next video. And I did, just FYI, review the foundation that I am wearing. I will be uploading that video. If it's not already up before this one, it'll be up a few days after this one. So I want to thank you for watching. Once again, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell and like the video. Comment down below. Tell me what's on your mind, what you're thinking about. Let's be a family around this camp. You know what I mean? I will see you in the next video.